Yeah. Okay. I love it. I've read in brown, green, red, purple, and blue. Okay, now let's start.
Friday को मैथ्स मंडे लाया तो इंग्लिश है फिटनेस आज है फिटनेस ठीक है मैथ्स इंग्लिश बुक लेके बैठ पेन पेपर लेके बैठ
I can make stars too. Here you go. Whose screen is this? It is my screen only. Nobody has joined. So why is your name coming? What?
समझ गया मैं फ्लाई कैचर या फ्लाई ट्रैपर मशीन है ना
What are you telling?
या ग्रीन रहता है वो सब
So how's your name coming? If I have shared the screen, my name will only come. No, I've only shared the screen.
Hi, Muspira. Good morning, Khadija.
Hi, ma'am.
Licensing ना licensing is
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
What are you drawing?
I'm Muspira.
Yes, I know, but I think so. Okay, you're drawing, Muspira. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, look at my dress.
Wow, very pretty dress. Is it pink
Sure?
color?
Sure. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Hi, Mustafa.
Good morning, ma'am. Yeah. Hiya.
Mustafa, why don't you smile? Smile and show me. This is the way you smile. Okay.
I'm not writing my name. It is just coming in an arrow.
Wow, how did you do that?
That's very simple.
Okay.
Are you sitting on a phone or laptop?
Okay.
If you're on a laptop, you can do it. If you're on a phone, you can't.
You teach me later on how to do it, okay?
Yes.
Even I like my
Khadija! Yeah.
When we were doing fractions.
Mustafa Kazi?
We did improper to mixed fraction and mixed to improper fraction.
Yes, and
Yes.
Please stop! I'll stop sharing.
Multiply and divide online fraction. Okay. I think you have already read all these things. Like fractions are those, no? Like
Hi.
Okay, hi everybody.
Hi, ma'am.
So we'll just wait for another minute and we'll start with the class, okay? Okay, so we'll start with the class now. And when others they join us,
Yes, ma'am. I'll stop sharing my screen.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just share the. You'll know which class are we coming for today? Can anybody tell me which class have we come in for today now? What are we going to do?
Math. Math.
Math.
Science. Word problems. Word problems.
We are going to start with science class today and then later we will do maths.
I tell it
okay?
science.
I'll share a
Ma'am, if we are doing science, why you have come? You
Sorry?
want to see how we learn.
Yes. So I'm sharing a slide with you all now. Yeah. Can you all see this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi Ali, good morning.
Yes. I'm
Okay,
just
can you all tell
telling.
me what all things? Musfira,
Yes.
Khadija, Mustafa, everybody.
Yes.
Can you all tell me what all things can you all see here on the slide?
A mobile. A TV. A TV.
Very nice, Ali.
Oven and
Mustafa.
washing machine. All of these are this. Iron.
Iron, very good.
TV.
TV, yes, Khadija.
Fridge. Mobile fan. Fridge. TV. Fridge. Washing machine.
Yes, Muspira, thank you.
And the washing machine.
Yes. What's common in all these things? Can you all
Ma'am,
tell me something?
TV,
Why am I showing
oven,
you these things?
iron, a phone, a fan, fridge, and washing machine.
Yeah, that's very nice. Hi, Umar. Good morning.
Hi.
Okay. So as you all can see all these things, can anybody guess that why am I trying to show you all these things? Why am I showing you all these things?
Because they are
Yes.
because they are electric. Because they're electric.
Yes, that's very nice. Very good.
I said it first, ma'am. I said it first.
Yes.
I said it first. We said it at the same time. You both said it first.
Yes, you all both said it first, and that's very nice. So all these things, when they operate, we use a mobile phone in our house. Everybody does have a mobile phone, yes?
Yes, my mom and dad has.
We have an air conditioner in our house.
I have, and I'm using it in Zoom right now. This is my phone, and I'm using it right
Good
now.
morning, Zainab.
A fan.
Then we do have a fridge in our house so that we can have nice chilled juice. And then we have TV now so that we can watch our favorite cartoon. We have an oven. We can have a lovely pizzas in that. So all these things, when they basically work, what do they need? They need electricity, yes or no? If we do not have electricity, will they operate? Will they operate?
No.
No, they won't. So all these things, there are a lot of stuffs apart these also which do need electricity. Okay, now let us see what is the aim of the electricity. Yes, Zainab, can you read the first point?
If you have to add 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5 minus 2 by.
Hi Musfira Rizwani, good morning.
Electricity is used of for making
For many Purposes.
Purposes of
For example,
light.
yes. Okay. So the first thing says us, the first point tells us what? Electricity is used for many purposes. Many purposes. Electricity we use into our day-to-day life, correct? So we
We use for many purposes. We
yes,
use
electricity
electricity
to
for
brighten
light.
our room, to light our room. We need electricity to
For
uh,
wire.
cook our food, to cool our store. Can you all give me some more examples? I'll ask you all one by one, okay? Okay, Muspira, give me one example. Why do we need I'm so sorry. I can't.
There is just written Muspira and Muspira is Vani as I think there is written Muspira is Vani. I'll check.
Muspira Sayyed, can you tell me one example? Why do we need electricity?
So that our laptop
So that
we need lots of things to be charged so that they can work.
that's very nice, excellent, very good. Ali, give me one example. Why do we need electricity for?
And if didn't work, ma'am,
Yes, Muspira.
and if they didn't work, we can't charge our laptops or phones.
Yes, that's
And we
very
take
nice.
charging and for a long time we have to sit without mobile, without laptop, anything. We can't attend a
Yes, and
class
that's
or
very
something.
boring. Yes or no? So electricity is important. Okay, thank you, Musfira. So now I'll ask Ali, can you give me one example? Why do we need electricity?
Why if there is no electricity, we will feel hot and we will not see anything because the electricity connects the fan and fan moves out. There is no
Very good.
electricity, then the fan will not move out.
Very good, Ali. Very good. Zainab, give me one example. Why do we need electricity? What is the purpose?
We need electricity. Then if it becomes night, we can't see anything when we want some water and we can trip in anything also.
Yes, that's very nice. And apart that, one more example, can you give me?
And like we'll feel hot and we can't play anything. We can't check the time because the clock is also made of electricity. So we can't check the time when to go and when to not.
Okay, fine, fine.
Clock has batteries.
Yes, yes. I told you we will discuss this in our later slides. But yes,
Ma'am,
okay.
I want to ask now.
Khadija, give me one example. Why do we need electricity?
Because
What?
electricity, electricity needs all the electric things to work. If the electricity runs out, that means then there will be nothing to work. And also, if lightning comes, the electricity will still come.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, Muspira Rizvani, can you give me one example? What is the purpose of electricity?
Which teacher? Why? And I don't know. Why did Malika ma'am call you? Why did
Muspira Rizvani?
Ma'am, what you do? I don't know because I
Okay, okay. So we are I see, basically I just showed this picture. So you can see a mobile phone, you can see a fan, fridge, a TV. So basically we have all these things in our house and they do operate. So how do they operate? They operate on electricity. They need electricity to work. So basically what is the aim of electricity? It helps us, it is very important for us in our day-to-day life. It helps us when if you lit a light, your room becomes bright. If you just put a switch on, your fan starts working. You just press a button on your remote and your TV starts. You just press a button on your PC or a laptop, your laptop starts working. Yes or no? So all these things need electricity. Okay. Now, what is the objective of electricity? Today we will learn more about electricity. For example, like Zainab told that the clock also has it also works on electricity. That's right, but that is a different kind. So that was very nice. So we
Because
will
it
learn.
has battery. Because it has battery.
Yes, that's very nice. So we will learn something more about electricity today, okay? And how important it is in our day-to-day life, and it can also be at times if you do not take care. For example, y'all must have heard or y'all must have seen people getting shocked. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did everybody listen to me?
Yes.
Yes. So why do they get shocked? So that is the reason there are few steps that we can
Yes.
follow, and we have to be aware of the safety issues relating to the use
And
of
also, if lots of, and also, ma'am, if lots of rain comes,
Yes,
maybe the light will also go out from that too.
yes, yes. So here comes the concept
And
of
ma'am,
electricity.
fan have like a battery, that that
Yes,
fire.
Musfira Rishani.
And fan has like battery wires, battery
Yes.
wires. And we
So today
on.
we will be learning something more about electricity. Let us see what is it. Okay. Now, what is electricity? Electricity is something, it is a power that lights our charges our phone. Like Musfira Sayyad told that it is a kind of energy that gives all the things the ability to work. Okay. If electricity is not there, can we see a TV? We cannot see the TV.
No,
Can we
ma'am.
operate?
And if there is no electricity, there is no light also. We can't see anything and we will trip anything. And the others will get dirty or something.
Yes. So what is
There
electricity?
is
It is
no
a form of
electricity
energy
and we cannot
that
on the
gives.
light and we cannot see in the night.
Yes, that's very nice. In the night we cannot see, but if it goes in the day, is it okay? Do you
No.
feel comfortable?
Is it okay if we keep our windows open? It is okay, but we need electricity too.
Yes, then too we need electricity. It
At
is very
night.
important. Yes, it
The
is very
day
important in the night.
the sun gives the light. The sun also gives us light, but if there is evening or noon, we need
Yes.
light on that because on that.
Okay, for example, in the day, if we do not have electricity, we can keep the windows open. For example, you all want to have your favorite milkshake. Now, if mommy wants to blend that, can she operate a mixer, a grinder, a blender? No, because
No.
electricity. So
You can
electricity
only do, ma'am,
is
you
needed.
can only do it spoon.
Yes. So will that be tasty? No, you need a mixer, juicer, or a blender, right? So
Yeah, we
electricity.
can't bring it directly. And
Yes.
if we are making limbu pani, about electricity, there is no electricity. Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes,
Everyone
Khadija.
wants to take a light. I want to ask. One time the electricity was gone in my
1 minute,
home
everybody.
here.
Can one person speak at a time because we cannot hear them properly? Yes, Khadija, speak.
What I want to ask is, one time the electricity in my home here ran out, so I was feeling really hot, and so I was like, "What? I want electricity."
Yes. We were feeling really, she was feeling really very hot. So that is why
And
electricity
also
is
in
very
the night,
important.
ma'am.
Yes.
And also in the night, it
Yeah,
happened.
there wasn't light because there wasn't electricity. So we cannot. So electricity, is it very important in our everyday life?
Ma'am,
Or
Musra
no?
Sayyed, can I tell the reason? Ma'am,
Now I'm going to show
we
you.
can't
Now
cook
who is
also.
this?
Ma'am,
Who
we
is?
can't cook also. Ma'am,
Yes.
can I what
Who is this?
Khatija told Musra Sayyed?
1 minute.
Because
Muspira
that
Sayyed. 1 minute. Who is this? Can
Thomas
everybody see this slide?
and also,
Edison.
ma'am, and also, if the electricity is gone,
Thomas
we'll have no
Edison.
internet also. We'll have no
Yes.
internet.
This person's name is Thomas Edison. You know who is he?
No.
He has made lot of inventions. So the electricity, the TV, laptop, and all these things that we enjoy in our day-to-day life, that is because of him, because he has invented a bulb. The invention of the light is made by him. His name is Thomas Edison. Can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
can
this person has invented the bulb. Because of him, today we are able to enjoy all the necessary things that is required for us to operate in our day-to-day life. Okay, what is his name?
Thomas
Thomas
Edison.
Edison.
Thomas Edison.
So
Thomas Edison.
one of his main invention is
Thomas
bulb.
Edison.
What is it?
Bulb.
The bulb which we have in our house, a round color bulb, we usually put it in the night for a dim light. Yes or no? So
Yes.
that is one of his famous inventions.
That's called night light. That's called night light.
Yes, that's called night light.
Like
Okay.
this.
Yes, Muspira Rizwani.
Ma'am, I want to tell
1
something.
minute, Muspira Sayyad.
Okay.
Yes, Muspira Rizwani, you want to tell something?
Electricity we want to only use in the night because in the day we open the window and sun give a light. And in the
Yes.
night and in the night moon don't give it that light
Yes.
because
During the day, we have sun that gives us enough light and enough light inside our house. But is it okay if we get only light? There are a lot of stuffs that do operate on electricity. Yes or no? That's what I
but
told you in the
in the
day.
evening can give a one zero one upon 48, ma'am.
So for example, in the day, the light is not there. For example, okay, you don't have light, your electricity is gone. Can you operate a fan? You will feel hot. Yes or no? Can you see a TV? Can you see a TV? If your laptop or your mobile is not,
We cannot see the TV also.
yes, your laptop or your mobile is not charged.
We
So can we take a class?
cannot work in the laptop also.
Okay. This Monday we were, 1 minute. This Monday we were not having the class. Do you all remember?
Yes,
Can anybody tell me why?
because there was no electricity.
Very good. You all
Yeah,
know this
there is no electricity. There was no
because
electricity.
we didn't have electricity, so we could not take the class on Monday. Our classes got cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because there was no electricity around us. So is electricity very important?
Yes. Yes.
So it is also
Yes.
important in the day. Yes or no? Because we take our
Yes.
class in the morning
Yes.
at 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock, and that time If the sun gives us
And
light, then too we should
alarm
not take
wakes
a
you
glass.
up.
Yes, Zainab.
Okay.
So electricity is very important. Now let us see what is a electric current. Is everybody with me on the slide? Mustafa, are you understanding?
Yes.
Yes.
Umar, can you listen to me? Are you understanding?
Yes.
You have read out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now let us see what is electric current. The first sentence tells us electric current is what? It is a flow of electric charge
I know,
constitute.
ma'am, what is current.
Yes, I will tell you what it is. Electric current is nothing but the flow of electric charge. Okay. Now you all may think, what is this electric charge? Can you all see this small tiny balls here down? A red color balls. Can
Yes, ma'am.
everybody see these small tiny balls here?
Yes. Yes.
For example, we'll say these balls are moving in one line. Okay. Now, when you move out with your parents, have you seen those cable wires on the road? You see birds
Yes.
sitting on
Yes,
those
yes,
wires. Yes or no?
yes.
Especially has anybody
Yes.
traveled in the local train?
Yes.
So we
Yes.
have those cable wires on the top, right? You see many birds, crows, pigeons, and other birds sitting on that wire, and sometimes they get a very hard shock. Yes. So why do they experience that shock?
Ma'am, they don't not feel safe. Flatten their leg. They not get shock in the pole, but there is two wires, and bird just tip in one and walk in another wire. They will get shock.
Very good. So what happens, sometimes that this wire, there is something inside that wire. That wire is actually
I
covered
know.
from out. Okay. That
Electricity.
wire. Yes, Muspira Sayyad. Yes, Muspira.
Birds will not get shocked because they just sit on it and on
But
their
sometimes
legs.
it
But
happens that they do get
yeah,
shocked.
yeah, but they can yeah, and there is no blood on their legs, so they can't get shocked. But
Yes.
they can
So
get.
what happens when you have some, for example, you keep a charge, you keep your phone on charge, okay? Now you have a charger connected on the socket, right? And there's a
Yes.
wire that connects to your phone, and that is how your phone is charged. So that wire, inside that wire, you have something inside that wire that helps to charge your phone, okay? Now what is that something inside that wire? That something
That
is
is tiny
electron.
balls, I think.
Yes,
Tiny
very
ball.
good, Mustafa. So that's something which is moving inside that wire. That is nothing but these small electrons. They are not actually balls, but for you all to understand, I have drawn these balls. They are very small, tiny particles inside that wire. So if we touch that with our fingers, we will
Will
get
electric
shocked.
shock.
But because we should not get electric shock, they cover it with that black color or a red color wire or a plastic or heavy good plastic material, so that if you touch, sometimes you will not
Ma'am,
get shocked.
they are called coatings. They are covered with lots of covers. They
And
are called
electricity
coatings.
can only pass from metal.
The
Very
covers
good,
which are
Mustafa. So electricity can only pass through that wire. If the electricity is continuously flowing through the current, sorry, if the current is only flowing through that wire, then only we can get electricity anywhere in our house or outside the house. If there is no electrons in that, if there is no current in that, will we get electricity? No. So here comes the safety. Why
no,
is that wire
no.
covered with all these plastic materials? So that we are safe. We do
Ma'am,
not get
there are
shocked.
Ma'am, there are called coatings. Those covers are connected with a
Yes. Now you have a red. Can you all can see different color wires? They are all coated with. They are all coated. Inside that there is something which there is something a very minute particle which is covered by that. So that yes, Khadija is showing us a charger. So that charger has a white color wire, but that white color wire, inside that white color wire you have these small electrons, these small minute particles, yes, which are moving around, because of which we are getting for example, say these balls do not move, so will we get electricity? Yes, Zainab.
We
For
will not.
example, these balls are not moving around. They are just still like this. They are in their place. They are not moving around. So will we get electricity?
No. No.
Why? These balls are still present inside that wire, no? So why will we not get electricity?
Why they are not moving? They are not moving. They are not getting
Because,
like they are not moving and everything.
yeah, who is this? Ali?
What?
Ali, did you tell this?
What?
I just asked you all, for example, if these electrons, these small little balls, if they are not moving, if they are just in their place, will we get electricity in our house?
No.
Why?
Why they are not moving?
Very good, because they are not moving. I told you these small electrons, which are also known as, they pass electric current, right? They are current. If they are only moving around, then only we will get an electricity. We will get our fans working in the house, all our electrical appliances working. But if they are in their own place, if they are not moving, we will not get electricity in our house. Okay? Any doubt? Anybody? Did you all understand till here?
Yes.
I want to hear a big yes from everybody.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now second, what is it saying? Measured as rate of the flow of the charge. Now fast do they move? That depends how much electricity do we get. If they move slow, that is the rate of the flow of charge. Okay, rate of the flow of the charge means sometimes it happens that the electricity, sometimes we experience that the fan is moving very fast, all of a sudden a fan starts moving slow, yes or no? Yes. And then we think, oh no, our fan was working properly. What happened? Our fan started moving very slow. So what happens? The rate of the flow. These electrons, they start moving very slowly. That is why the speed varies. Okay. And finally, now last thing. What is an SI unit ampere? Can you all see this? Yes, Khadija wants to say something. What is this? This is
Nothing.
an ampere. Yes. Now, y'all must be going out with your mummy or your daddy to buy things. Yes or no? You'll go to buy fruits or vegetables. Or who goes in the morning to buy milk? So how do we get milk? He just gives us like this only. For example, when your mom goes to buy a grocery, y'all must be going with your mummy. Yes or no? Who goes with
Yes,
your parents to buy groceries in the market?
I go.
Yes, Mustafa. So you see, they have a weighing machine there. Your mummy will tell them, give me 500 grams of sugar. For example, I want 500 grams of sugar. So how will that person give me 500 grams of sugar? He
From
has to
that.
weigh there. Yes or no?
Yes.
So he will put some sugar in a packet and he will weigh there and then he will see correct. Wow, Zainab, what is Zainab
With
showing
a
us?
weighing machine.
That's
Did
it.
you draw that?
No, my sister.
Okay, that's very nice. Okay, so when we say that we need 500 grams of sugar, so that person takes a packet, he fills that packet with the sugar, and then he keeps a weighing thing, okay, and then he weighs the sugar. So if it, how do we come to know that it is correct 500 grams? Because he weighs it. Similarly, when you go to buy milk also, you get in liters, yes or no? You get sugar in kilograms, you get milk in liters. Similarly, how is electric
Cake
current?
also. We get
Yes, then
cake also from the. We get cake from the freezer. That machine.
yes, yes. When you go to buy cake also, you get in kilograms, yes or no? So
I
similarly,
get in
electric
language.
current is measured in ampere.
It's
Electric
an
current,
international code language.
electric current is measured in ampere, which is donated by a capital A, okay? Like we go to buy groceries out. Similarly,
This
electric current is
they looks like this.
measured in ampere. We do get an
It's
electricity
like
bill
this.
every month in our house, yes or no? We get an electricity bill in everybody's house.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do we get to know that how much the bill is? That is how this ampere is there, no? They measure through ampere how many electric current have we used in a month, and accordingly then we get a electricity bill, okay? Now can anybody tell me what is a electric charge?
I know it's
What,
electric charge.
what is a electric charge?
Electric charge. Electric charge is if you want to charge one of your devices, there's a plug like this one. I'll show you. Okay, and you can put it in there, and then there's a like I do this, and then a charge.
Okay, I'll tell you all. Electric charge is nothing but I just told you all. They are small little tiny particles which move inside the wire. And what are they known as? What are they known as?
This protons.
Electrons. Very good, Ali. They are known as electrons. So basically, what is an electric charge? They are nothing but these small little tiny particles which are known as electrons. When they move, when they pass, we get the charge, we get the electricity in our house. And how is electricity measured? How is electricity measured?
That mean,
Can
ma'am, what is
anybody tell me
I
how
don't
is
know how it
electricity
is
measured?
measured.
Can I get one more paper, please? I want
I
to
told you
tell.
all, we go to buy groceries in the market, you get in kilograms. When we go to buy milk, we get in liters. How is electricity measured?
Electric weight machine.
Ampere. Can you all see this last? Electricity is measured through ampere, which is
Ampere.
donated by a capital A. Okay. Now what you all can see, what is an electric circuit? What is an electric circuit? Electric circuit is nothing but a path for the current to flow. Okay. What is current? I told you the wire. Inside that
The
wire, there's a current. Yes.
the sonar panel, the sonar machine automatic uniform only connection only.
Yes.
For
So what is an electric circuit? I'll tell you all. Now we saw what is a current. Okay. How current inside the wire, when the current is passing, then only we are getting then only we can use the things in our house. Yes or no?
all we go that CD automatic CD. That CD also weight like solar CDs want electricity.
Yes. Now can you all see this boy walking?
Yes.
Now there is a bridge from, we will tell maybe this is side A and this is side B, okay? Now he wants to reach side B from side A. He is walking. Will he reach from here to here because there is a bridge? Yes? because
Yes.
there is a bridge and the
Yes.
bridge is completely complete. What is the meaning the bridge is complete? I'll tell you. Now, for
The,
example, say the bridge is broken in the between. Will that boy reach from side A to B?
no.
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 He will not reach because the bridge is
Broken
broken. He
from the
will only
middle.
reach when the bridge is complete. Then only he will reach from side A to side B.
The bridge
Same
is full.
example goes with the electric current as well. If your electric circuit is nothing but a path, now here the path is what? The bridge is a path. Yes or no? A way, a road. If
Yes.
the path, if the bridge is complete, then only this boy
Footpath.
will move from side A to side B. Similarly, if the electric circuit, if the path is complete, then only the electrons, the current can flow in the wire through the path and we will get electricity. If the path is broken, will we get electricity in our house?
Oh.
No, we will not get, because to for the current to flow, what is important? The important thing is the path has to be complete. The electric circuit is a path for the current to flow. Okay, did you all understand? Musfira Umar, Musfira Sayyad, did you understand?
Mama, I'm sending in chat.
Yes.
Yes. Now see here, I will now basically a electric circuit is represented by a diagram. Can you all see this diagram? Now this is a battery, okay? This is a battery, this is a switch, and this is a bulb. Now what happens when you all put the switch on? Can you all see this pink color wire, then a green color wire?
Yes.
Yes, can you all see
Yes.
that?
Yes.
Now that is nothing but
Yes.
a path. That is an electric circuit. If that path is complete, then only the bulb is going to lit. If it is not complete, for example, you say if the wire is broken somewhere, then will the bulb blow?
No.
The bulb is not going to
No.
blow. So this pink color and a green color wire is nothing but the electric circuit. It is a part for the current to flow. That is how the bulb is going to blow. Now you all see here. Can you all see this arrow marks? You have a battery here. And see, as I told you all, these are small little electrons flowing inside that wire. Okay. So if those electrons are continuously flowing, then only the bulb is going to blow. For example, when you enter a dark room, for example, say you all had gone out with your mom and dad to a market. When you'll come back, your room is dark. Yes or no? Because we switch off all the lights and go, no? So when you switch on a button, all of a sudden your room is full of light. Yes or no? Is it a magic? Is it a
It
magic?
is electricity.
It is
It's
electricity. So what happens
electricity.
when we put on the switch, when we turn the switch on, the path is again complete. That is how the electrons start moving again in the wire. And
They
your
start
and
moving again.
Sorry, I mean that
start
9
moving
to
again, and your room is full of light. And when you put this on, what happens? There is a break. There is a break in the wire. That is why the electrons stop moving and your room is dark. Okay, I'll show you all here. See, can you all see this open circuit? So see here,
Yes.
there is a break in the wire. The wire
Yes.
is not connected. That is why the bulb is not blowing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
Yes.
here. Can you all see the wire is complete?
Yes.
Because the wire is
Yes.
complete, the bulb is blowing. So for the light to bulb, what is important? Can anybody tell me what is important?
that they should be electron. They should not be tera mera.
No, the circuit has to be complete. What is important?
Electron.
The circuit. No, the circuit. For example, I'm again coming back. For this, for example, this person, we will, for example, say this person is an electron, okay? And this is the circuit. So for the person, for the electron to move from this part to this side, the bridge has to be complete. The path has to be complete. Then only he will reach from side A to side B. Okay. Similarly, for this bulb to glow, the circuit has to be complete. What is important?
The circuit has to be complete.
The circuit has to be complete. The
And only
circuit
your
has
bulb
to be
will glow.
complete.
If the circuit is not complete, the bulb will not blow. Okay. So it is very important. Remember, the circuit has to be complete. Okay. So that is what I'm trying to explain, y'all. Is the circuit complete here in the first diagram?
No.
No,
Circuit is
it
not
is
complete.
broken.
Broken here.
That's why the light's not
That is why the
glowing.
bulb is not glowing. But in the
Yes. That it is complete. It is complete. It's glowing. It's glowing.
It's glowing.
Ma'am, I know the last one. They think there's another way and they go so the current comes.
Yes. Now, here there are two ways where the bulbs are blowing. For example, the circuit is complete in both the diagram. But what happens? Here the circuit is complete in a proper way. Yes or no? And in this,
Yes.
what happens? The circuit is complete in a crooked way. Maybe the wire was broken and the wire cannot be attached in the same place. So we call an electrician in our house. Yes or no? So he
Yes.
to fix the wire, and again he makes sure that the circuit is complete, and then again a bulb starts blowing. Okay.
Glowing.
Now, can you all see these pictures? We have a radio, we have a iron, television,
We have a
toaster.
radio, iron,
Calculator.
light,
So you all have to tell me for a radio to work,
computer,
for a
torch,
radio to work, do we
desktop,
need a
then
battery
a
or
toaster,
what do we need?
then
Electric.
it's a
The radio has a wire.
I forgot.
The wire is connected to the socket and you put the switch on.
Yes.
So it needs electricity to work. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So similarly, you all have to tell me your iron works on a battery or electricity.
Electricity. Electricity.
Okay. Now a calculator, how does it work? On main electricity.
Battery. Ma'am, there are solar battery.
Yes, Ali.
Battery.
Battery. Umar, can you tell me how does a calculator
Solar.
work? Does it work on a electricity or a battery?
Solar.
A calculator works on a electricity or a battery?
1 minute.
Now this is a night lamp. Does it work on electricity or a battery?
Yes, it works. Electricity.
Yes, Umar, how does a calculator work?
Electricity. Ma'am,
Yes.
it's all are electricity.
Yes, all are electricity. But you have you operated a calculator, Umar, ever? You have batteries inside that, yes or no? So when you put batteries, then only. Now tell
Calculator.
1 minute, everybody. Now we have a television, okay? Does a television work on battery?
No.
Yes, Zainab, very good. Umar, does a television work on battery?
Um. Yes. No.
How does a television work?
It works with
With
electricity.
wires.
Electricity.
Wire.
Yes. So when you connect a wire and you have to switch it on, that is how the current passes through and the TV works. So it works on the main electricity, okay? Similarly with computer as well. Can you all see a computer here? It is
Yes.
also operated through electricity, okay? Now you
Even
have a torch
torch
here.
lamp.
A torch has works on a main electricity or on batteries.
Batteries.
Very good, Zainab. Why is only Zainab answering?
Touch.
Now, what is this? This is a Walkman, I think so. Y'all can listen to songs and y'all can listen to songs on it. So, does it need a main electricity or it works on a battery?
Main electricity.
Main electricity.
Main electricity.
The charging is
Battery and main electricity both.
yes,
There are
battery and
different
electricity
kinds of.
both. Because if the charging, for example, a mobile phone, if you charge your mobile phone later, it works on a battery. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, only when the charging is not there, you need the main electricity to charge your phone. Once your phone is completely charged, then it completely works on a battery. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And finally, this is a toaster. If you need nice toast in the morning with your milk, you need to toast your bread. So do we need a main electricity or a battery for it?
Main electricity.
Main electricity.
In electricity. That's very nice. We'll take a quick revision of what we did today. Now, who is this?
I know. Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison.
What did he invent?
Light.
Electricity. He invented the light.
What is his main
Electricity.
invention? I told you a bulb. Okay,
Electricity.
bulb. Now, what is this? What is electric charge?
Electric charge is nothing but electric. Electric.
Small balls.
Electrons. What are those small balls known?
Electrons.
Electrons. And how it is measured?
A bird is sign for A.
How it is measured? Ampere. It is measured by ampere. Okay. Now, for example, if a bulb to glow, what is important?
Pass. Pass.
For a complete path, the path has to be complete. Then only a bulb will glow or blow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So 1 minute. Okay.
Thomas Edison.
Yes, Thomas Edison. Just give me a minute. Okay. Did everybody understand what we did today?
Yes.
Anybody
Learned
has
about
any doubt?
electricity.
Khadija, Umar, Musfira, Sayyad, Musfira Rizwani.
Yes.
Yes.
So we will just revise what we did today in our next class. And in the next class, we will see how does a bulb blow, okay? We will try to do something, okay?
Yes. And one.
Now you're the science teacher.
Oh.
Now we have a maths class at 11 o'clock, okay? So we will end up with this class and we'll meet in our next class. Till then,
Ma'am, are you the science teacher?
Just because Shazia ma'am is not keeping well for now. Okay.
Then I'm gonna open it.
I will see you
That
all in
seems
5
fun.
minutes for the maths class. Okay.